It's MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I will be installing this Boho Majesty twist lace closure wig that I made in one of my previous videos. These twists are absolutely amazing, and I will leave the link to the website where I purchased these twists in the description box below. Now I'm starting off with my hair cleanly washed, and all I literally have in my hair right now is some leave-in conditioner. And I was going to braid my hair down, but I was not in the mood, so I just went ahead and put these twists in a really low bun in the back of my head. As long as your hair is super flat in the front, you'll be perfectly fine. Now I'm showing you guys my Style Factor Edge Booster. I did go out and purchase a new one, and this one is specifically for thick and coarse hair, and I absolutely love this specific Style Factor Edge Booster for my edges. So now I'm just going ahead and brushing my edges back. And then I'm going to apply some of this Style Factor Edge Booster to my edges, and I'm going to brush them back. Now I'm not brushing back all of my edges because I am going to create some baby hairs with my own hair. So I'm only going to brush back the hairs that I do not want left out in my baby hairs. Now I'm going to take this edge brush that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I'm just going to use this to brush back that product onto my edges just to make it nice and smooth so that when I apply the wig, they will not be in the way. Now the hairs that I am brushing forward is the hairs that I will be leaving out in the front so that I will be able to create my own baby hairs in the front of my hairline. Now I'm going to apply my Nude Stocking Cap to my head, and the reason why I'm using a Nude Stocking Cap is so that when I apply the lace wig onto my head, that front area of the wig will look as natural as possible. Now I'm going to be going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW46, and I'm just going to apply this to the front section of this nude wig cap just so I can get this area to match my skin tone as much as possible. I started off using a brush, but then I realized I wasn't getting the amount of coverage that I needed when applying it to this cap. So then I went ahead and used the little cotton pad that the powder came with instead, and it gave me more of that coverage that I needed when applying this powder to this cap. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply that same powder to the lace on this wig, and I'm going to use my fluffy brush to apply the powder onto this lace. Right here I'm just showing you guys exactly what the wig looks like after I applied the powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off camera, and I'll be right back. Now the wig is all prepped and ready to be applied to my head. Normally I would apply my wigs from front to back, but because I'm doing this on camera, I did not want to make the wig hit the camera and knock it down. So I went ahead and applied the wig from back to front, and then I adjusted it as much as I needed to in order for it to sit correctly onto my head. Now the wig cap that I did use does have combs in it, so I'm just using the combs and sticking them on the sides of my head just to make sure that this wig will not go anywhere. You can adhere this wig with wig glue or with the Got To Be Glued gel or the Got To Be Glued spray, but I wanted to be able to take this wig off at night because I just like sleeping with my head free and not worrying about anything on my head. So I did not go ahead and use any kind of glue to apply this wig. All I did was use the combs that came with the cap to make sure that this wig was secured onto my head. Now, if you do need more security than those wig combs, you can go in with a couple of bobby pins around the edges to secure this wig down as well. Now I'm going in with my Style Factor Edge Booster to lay down my baby hairs in the front of my hairline. I just want to remind you guys that there is a giveaway going on my channel right now. It is my 1K subscriber giveaway, and I will leave the link in the description box below to the video that I created about the giveaway, because you guys have to comment underneath that video in order to enter into the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. Once again, let's continue to grow. Let's continue to grow with each other. Let's build a family here. Everyone is welcome as long as it's good vibes only. Now comment down below this video any video ideas or anything you guys want me to do in the future so that I can get that content out for you guys as well. Now, as I applied this wig to my head, I noticed that that tan stocking cap was peeking through the whole back section of the wig. So what I did was I went ahead and applied a black stocking cap only to the back section. I didn't bring it all the way to the front of my head. I only applied it to the back section so that once I applied the wig, the back of the wig will look black instead of that really bright tan color that it was looking like before. Now I'm just going to reapply the wig to my head and reposition it exactly where I want it to fit on my head once again. As I'm placing this wig on my head, I am making sure that as I'm placing the combs, I'm making sure to position the combs by my ears so that I can make sure the front section of this wig is pulled as tight as possible so that the lace can stay as flat as possible as it can in the front of my head. Now, because I'm not using any kind of adhesive to keep this wig down, I need it to be pulled as tight as possible just so I can make sure that the wig will not move while it's sitting on top of my head. Now I'm just brushing down my edges to make sure they're as smooth as possible and looking nice and slayed in the front section of my head. This is what the back section of my hair is looking like once I've applied the wig on. As you guys can see, this staggering method really works. You cannot see any gaps in the back section of this wig at all. In this video, I was able to show you guys how I applied this Boho Majesty twist lace closure wig that I made, and as you guys can see, this wig is flawless. It came out beautiful. This hair is amazing. I love these twists. I love the color. I love everything about this hair and this wig. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!